See, yeah, that means who said BB trendy. Well, I almost say tree makeup challenge, and I'm like, oh, yeah, why not? I mean, we have nothing doing. Actually, we have something doing. But yeah, Konja, LA girl pro concealer. Obema or colors, no, I don't know the makeup stuff, but she will give you the color.
Ama for me chamuni na intiende me baba ye tree makeup challenge. Me ye call YouTube na ye who ama K ne Jasmine Otriomo video. Ina me say me baba fo bandwagon so na ma ye tree makeup challenge ni bi. Inti ye shasiye. And sana me foundation and me use Kiss Beauty foundation primer no ni Inti me squeezy be me mia be 2 pumps. Then MBA nti maybe enye adwuma pam na enye adwuma nti maybe nti me use kakwe bi primer wehu come on. Okay nti yeah twaso me mane wo kakra because me pese eye moist me pese me pese me ye me foundation na abra me primer no ye afo nti mane wo kakra wow I will nti yeah twaso nti me foundation me use Lancome 550 suede C nti me mia be 2 pumps or so na me there ye dots we me ni so dots this a tribal marks be me we are now ma mix it there be I am mix it na ma fran na ma franning na we me ni so kama na me franning na me make sure say I blend it when me hu ade ni ye nti me ba befa extra mirror because me are long sighted myopia yes and I say hyper myopia. One of the two. My blended camera. Wow. Sister. We are camera table. Cha. Okay, yantwaso. Inti me real to me say me ankasa. Me wo hwini wo meniechi. Eniechi hinu. Eniechi hin. Eniechi hwini. Me wo bebre. Me wo eniechi period. I have hair on my eyebrow. So me nyama baby wo me eyebrows we hu hey we had you me gana di bad well intimate waso intimate yet like me kombe me dey fit eyebrow fit be kombe me dey be kombe me ni echi we hu intimate say ya kama na me kombe other side opposite side Ashishe? Na ma sha ashishe mu. Hey, me share ashishe mu. Wow, what a tongue twister. Me the eyebrow pencil. Me ankasa me you see eyebrow pencil pen you find the hourglass. E wo pencil ni won anim na e wo afini won echi we hu. E looky even but my mefa bako stroke bako ni ye. Me say me say symmetrical. Pe eyebrow na pe man we are na me dey foundation be me ni stro me eyebrow no stro so for me eyebrow no stro no me use color aye lighter me use me actual skin color nti me we are me dey concealer aye lighter e dey aye me eyebrow ase because me pese reach perfection pese me eyebrow tranquil omo hwe me omo be pra me hu nti me we are me ko hide akobisa na se me eyebrow no eye ana nti me ba hide down pem no obeka twa me se me eyebrow dey fine me pie na me ase bodan fo we are me ba ba ye highlighting your friend ching ching shiny highlights no mefa concealer lighter than concealer fita white there be light Wow, this is difficult. Concealer cocoa.
Cocoa is like red.
It's fair. Cocoa is fair. Fair concealer. Okay. Now my year. Me mama. Now my year me winnie. My year one logolegly line down. There be one straight line. Down me winnie. Na me ria utimi say me nia yetum be hunti mayendi ye bedi. It's not easy out here menda nti me you say concealer woman ni ase they say dem me fa misio me amede mix it misio amede fra me frasio. It's called setting spray. Auntie, me that petty kakwebi was so wow petty. Did you hear that? Me petty kakwebi was so home. Now my start say me egu me nisu. Blend me eye, my blend her. Now me babe blend me winnie. Because me pesa ye chine. Me pesa chine to searching gum. Aye.
Adum binti, sisi ami ya trying to searching gum. Baby nyanga boy be me nam. My trying to searching gum. Baby nyanga boy be me nam.
Unim Cupid. I say angel of love. I'm out for door. Or shoot to arrow. Be set. Me ba benua meni nti me use certain powder kakwe bi because me pese me ye fita we ho so be ni wo me ni so I'm prepare for me other any so nti contour no your friend is kind trap contour me be trap me my phone so my phone ni me hwene so mo hwa me am say wow I come with a vengeance. First time I did your contour no Fancy Beauty matchstick in espresso. So me de here now me de second contour material. Contour palette. Tum palette. Yeah, from Anastasia Beverly Hills. We blend it out to me, say blend na. I come I know in yaje because look it's delicious. Me de another contour kit. Your friend is saying contour kit a bronzer actually. Me apply kakwebi so that me de be enye fita be tum. Shadow no me yet be elaborate we yeah something like I read there come on next eyeliner eyelash no a skill in when I am me to cut through the baby other one no yeah eyelash navy inti me blanky me near now pattern me feathers let me cut through. I'm used to anangwa oil, lip oil, aka lip gloss. No maybe there may in a minute. Me baba you say in so ya de fran in na ye nyani makeup ni na woman so aka certain what spray certain spray so we got from an equidistance tilt one sakakra now I say now what to I know baby you me trim okay now my head to say beauty adverts lady yes you turn no no yeah what into a man for 3 makeup challenge no maybe and one no what more say me 3 no a bit rusty near 3 makeup challenge. Ghana girl say she won't marry me yo. So I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to pet. Mon can't show me demo pet. Ena Monfa makuma into channel nimu subscribe. Monfa makuma into channel subscribe. Don't forget to like, which is pet. Monfa mon country mo dia mo pet. That's comment. Tell me makuma into channel nimu. Don't forget to subscribe. Use your heart to enter the channel. Okay? Catch you in the next video. Bye.